In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button color in Squarespace. This is an essential skill to master, whether you're building a new Squarespace site or revamping an existing one. Customizing the button colors can significantly impact the overall look and feel of your site, helping to maintain brand consistency or highlight particular calls to action. Let's dive in and learn how to make these changes seamlessly. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your site's editing mode. Once you're in the editing dashboard, select the button you'd like to alter. It's important to locate the correct button because different areas of your site might have buttons styled uniquely. Simply click on the button that needs a color change. You'll notice a whole range of editing options popping up on your screen. Your next step is to click on the pencil icon. This icon represents the editing tool you'll use to access different formatting options for the button. With that tool selected, look for the Design option in the menu. Clicking on Design will allow you to dig deeper into different aspects of the button's aesthetics. You should see a primary button section amongst other settings options. This is where you can begin making the first level of changes to your button's appearance. After selecting Primary Button, proceed by clicking on Edit Button Styles. This choice will direct you to the customization menu where colors become adjustable. It might seem complex initially, but rest easy. You'll find that the interface is intuitive. You'll need to click the back arrow in Site Styles to return to the main design area. Next, spot the colors arrow and click. This will navigate you to where actual color adjustments for your website's theme occur. Identifying and altering the button's color is easier from this view. Click on the pencil icon within your website color theme. This opens up a vast palette designed for you to explore all the hues that fit your button's redesign. A quick helpful tip, always ensure you are editing the correct color theme for the specific section you are working on. This avoids potential mismatches between sections and maintains a consistent theme across your site. Now direct your attention to the button section. You'll want to make sure you're focused on the correct area for button color tweaks. In this section, locate the primary button background option. This is where the magic happens. Change the color to something vibrant that matches your brand, or something subtle if that's the look you're striving for. Once satisfied with your choice, save the changes, and these updates should automatically reflect across your site. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully customized your button colors on Squarespace, enhancing your website's visual appeal and drawing more attention to your calls to action.